Hbar continues to hold above daily key areas of supports between the 0.2218 and the 0.12. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons as to why we need to continue holding within this support area here on the daily chart. And above all, also take a look at the 4-hour chart, giving you my short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see that from the lows we made on the 5th of November 2024, Hbar gave us a very impulsive bounce over here in a move that gave us a high above the 0.4 mark, completing the formation of that impulsive additive count 1. Then we started a massive corrective structure in the formation of this second wave, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, and on so doing the area that I have been paying attention to as a minimum pullback target area for the second wave has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.22158 and the 0.11886, which is the red target area over here, and that is an area that we have not fully maximized. And I believe that the low is almost in here on the Hbar chart, and in the next coming days we can easily see a reaction of this target area, starting the next leg to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 that can easily take us to new all-time highs. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to is the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.14, the 0.71415 as my next target area. And if that target area is hit, then Hbar will be able to put in place a new all-time high. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 5. And for that case scenario to play out, we need to see Hbar holding within this area over here. But if by any chance we continue seeing further weakness on the in the markets, maybe get a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June and continue pushing lower, breaking out of this red target area to the lower side, then that will be challenging that case scenario to new all-time highs, and also give us a more bearish case scenario where we can continue seeing further downside, maybe giving us a reset of the lows we made on the 5th of June, that is the 5th of November 2024, in the next coming days. And jumping to the 4-hour chart, I can give you a better case scenario that can unfold to give us a reset of the lows we made last year, where you can see that here on the 4-hour chart I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, and we have completed the formation of that wave 5 by fully hitting the fib level 0.618 above the 0.12827, and after hitting that target area we saw a very nice reaction over here. And I was expecting that having seen a 5-wave structure over here, we should get an ABC corrective bounce in the next coming days, and it is most likely that we are going to see one more new high in the formation of this wave C. And the minimum target areas that we can pay attention to as the minimum target area for that corrective structure can be given by pulling the fibs from the highs we made in the formation of the wave 1, the low of that wave 5, and on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.382 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.2656 and the 0.165, which is the yellow target area over here. In case we get a bounce into this area and get rejected, then it is most likely that we are going to get a massive pullback, giving us a reset of the lows we made in November 2024 in the next coming days, and that is the most bearish case scenario. So those are the two possible scenarios that you need to pay attention to, and the key areas of resistances that we need to have in mind for us to be able to differentiate the two possible scenarios. And that is all that I'm expecting here on the Hbar chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out and that will ensure you stay up to date.